Hello, welcome to this review on Blueberry AI, a digital asset management platform designed for creatives and teams working with complex media files, including 3D assets and high-volume content for both individuals and established companies. Blueberry AI runs in your web browser in a very user-friendly interface, so you can access and preview your assets all in one place without the need to install several software, saving you a huge amount of money on licenses, whether you are a technical user or a beginner. As you sign in, you get into the main interface, where you access the complete list of assets associated to your account. These are divided and shared, such as files and folders made accessible by other team members, and private, which is the content that remains visible only to you. Blueberry AI automatically generates a complete preview for a wide range of file formats. If you work in architectural and design projects, Blueberry AI can display work from Revit, AutoCAD, or Blender directly within the interface. You can rotate the model, zoom in and out for detailed views, or even apply clip planes to inspect within, saving time from opening the same project in dedicated softwares. If you work in a gaming or animation environment, Blueberry AI supports 3D models from 3Ds Max or Maya. You can open these models regardless of their complexity, size, or materials and make adjustments to the mesh or lighting for a better visual inspection. When checking media like images and videos, Blueberry AI shows a larger preview on the right, supported by a color palette on images. You also get complete metadata, including format, dimensions, size, location, and tags. You can double-click on any file to open a full-size preview, for example, to play back heavy videos without downloading them. Blueberry AI also supports a wide range of documents. Whether it's a Word document, an Excel sheet, or a PowerPoint presentation, you can view and make changes directly within the platform without any Office software. You can also open PDF files, with also the possibility to edit it by adding pieces of text and shapes. Blueberry AI comes with a powerful semantic search engine at the top of the preview. This is designed to help you find the right asset in the shortest time possible from massive assets lists thanks to AI. You can type keywords related to the content you are looking for or import any image to use as reference. To show image files similar in style and color, or even videos showing a similar content or shape. You can refine the search by showing all files or only specific formats such as images, videos, 3D objects, project files, or documents. You can also extend the entire filter to search by author, file format, assign tags, asset status, and more. Blueberry AI automatically assigns tags to all your media files by analyzing their visual and metadata content, saving you loads of time from defining them manually one by one. You can still add custom tags at several levels of depth so that you can search your file and also group it to a specific project, an event, or a team. If you work in a team, Blueberry AI simplifies your collaborations by sharing and organizing your asset permissions and statuses, saving time and cost. If you have a private asset, select it and go to Share to make it accessible to others, even if they are very large in size. You can decide who can access the file, such as a specific team or a colleague, or simply anyone who gets the link. You also give permissions to view or edit the file, applying any password or adding a watermark for extra protection. On shared files, you can assign a specific status, such as under review, pending review, or approved, visible to anyone directly on the preview. You can also switch to project management view at the top to get a quick overview over the status of all your files, dragging any to a new status as progress is made. Blueberry AI also supports assets versioning, very useful when multiple people work on the same files. When you select any file, go to version management on the left to view its full version history. You can download any previous version or upload a new one you have. There is a lot more you can do with Blueberry AI, such as AI image generation, or extend its capabilities through Photoshop, Unity, or Jira through powerful plugins. Make sure to check our video description to learn more about Blueberry AI and get your free trial right away.